so this is a camera we will be using for the tutorial. As you can see, the power switch is located at the right side of camera, and if you just switch it on using your thumb by pushing it down, a red light will appear right there. This indicates that the camera is on. As you can see, the camera is turned on. STD is currently on the screen. To ensure that we control the depth of field, we will press the iris button, which is located at the left side of the camera, once. This removes STD from the screen. This means that it's in manual mode. With this particular video, we are concentrating on depth of field. Depth of field is normally used in films to draw the audience's attention. This is a clip from an episode of Doctor Who that uses depth of field to focus upon the characters rather than the background. For instance, the transition between the alternating focus on both Clara and Vastra while they talk.
Let's see if the gods are with you.
This means the foreground is in focus, whereas the background is blurred or out of focus in the shots. The depth of field is measured by the F number at the bottom of the viewfinder. The bigger the number, the bigger the depth of field. The more depth of field, the more focus there is in shot for either the foreground or the background. The smaller the number, the shallower the depth of field. An example of poor focus can be seen in this Doctor Who episode.
Pond.
You perform a focus pull by spinning the first dial to the left on the camera, which brings the focus to the foreground, and you spin it to the right to bring it to the background. To change the F number, you spin the third dial to the left to increase the light that comes into the camera, and spin it right to decrease. On the left, you see a shot that has shallow depth of focus, and on the right, you will see one that has full focus. To summarize, depth of field is used to draw the audience's attention to something in shot. It is measured by the F number on the viewfinder. The higher the F number, the more that's in focus. With depth of field, it allows you to pull focus in your shot. Thanks for watching.